Hey there, welcome back to the channel. It's about 20 degrees out here, but it's also supposed to snow about a foot here tonight, so might as well get this work done now. This 1974 Power Wagon is our donor vehicle. I need to get this Dana 44 out from under here and into the garage so we can put it onto the frame for the True Spirit. Let's get to it. So anytime you have like this or this, where the stud goes through, it's tapered a little bit. Right? It's not a straight through. So I find, in fact, if you have two hammers, it works even better. Put one as a dolly on the backside, and then smack it, and it'll pop out. It helps if you have some tension on it, so sometimes just wedging a pickle fork in there puts a little tension. And you put a hammer here, and you smack there, and it'll pop right out. I didn't get video of it, but right here, there's this brake hose here comes up and goes through there. That has to get disconnected. I've taken enough U-bolts off of axles to know that taking the nut off the bottom is the hardest way to do this. The best way is to either use a blue flame wrench and whack them off at the bottom, or use a cutoff wheel and cut them off up here. That's what I'm going to go with this time. I put a jack under it to push it up to take the tension off of these. That's always a good idea, because if it's just hanging the axle on these, when you cut them, they snap pretty good. They're going to snap good anyway just because of the tension from being tightened. See what I mean? Sometimes you can grab them and just swing them over. Just pivot them over. Otherwise you have to come over and cut them on this other side as well. Now I'll set it down on this dolly, and that'll give us a gap right here. And then hopefully we can pull that mount out. There you go. Notice I didn't disconnect the drive shaft. I could have disconnected it there, but it's got a slip joint up here. I just pulled it out. So the other half is still up underneath the truck. Now I just need to slide this out from underneath the vehicle. The last step was to just pull it out the front. That's all there is for today. Thanks for watching.